Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix Apple ID has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you try to download apps or want to update apps from App Store and facing this type of issue that your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you need to open your settings first. So guys, from here you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to click on general, and guys you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys now you need to scroll it down, and guys after you will see the option of here language and region, and guys from here you have to select your own region according to your country, and after this you need to go back. So guys now you have to open your Apple ID here, click on sign in and security. So guys, after this you will see here is the option of change password, click on it, and here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. And guys here you need to change your password, enter your new password and verify your new password and click on changed. And guys after this your password will be changed. And guys after this simply you have to open your Apple ID again and scroll it down, click on media and purchases, and guys from here you have to click on view account. So guys now you have to click on country and region, and guys after this you need to click on change country or region. From here you have to select your own country. So guys, for example I am going to select United States. So guys now you have to click on agree with terms and conditions of Apple Media Services, and now you need to wait. And guys here you need to enter any payment method. If you have PayPal, select PayPal. And guys after entering your payment method you have to select your billing name, and guys here must you have to enter your billing address, zip code and phone number as well. And guys after this you need to save all the information, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.